Hello there. Today I'm going to show you the new features in the Bernafon App 1.2. Starting with something that you've all been waiting for, the sound equalizer. The sound equalizer is a 3-band EQ that allows the users to adjust low, mids, or highs, and this works for all microphone input. If I want a little more bass, I can just bring that up. If I need a little more treble, I can bring that up. The sound equalizer works in all different programs. We also have a new look for the streaming equalizer. The streaming equalizer now looks like a graphic EQ on a stereo. There's no change to the function of the streaming equalizer. It works on streamed inputs. So if I need a little more bass for my music, I can adjust that. Another new feature in the app are hearing aid updates. This allows the user to update their firmware within the app. In order to use the hearing aid updates feature, the user must first go to More, My Profile, and then toggle on hearing aid updates. They'll need to agree to the settings, and then we're ready to use it. To access hearing aid updates, you will go to Hearing Aids, and then there's Hearing Aid Updates. My hearing aids have the newest firmware, 1.1. If it needed a new firmware update, it would show within here. Another new feature is Remember Volume Settings. This allows the hearing aids to remember where the user has set the volume. This works in all programs. To activate Remember Volume Settings, the user must first go to Hearing Aids, Hearing Aid Settings, and then toggle on Remember Volume Settings. Now the feature is active. For example, in my dynamic program, I turned the volume down 2 notches. I then went to Conversation and Noise, and then decided to go back to dynamic, and you'll see that my volume is still at -2. Our last new feature is something a lot of people have been waiting for, and this is called Hearing Coach. Hearing Coach allows the user to track their wearing time and set goals for wearing time. To access Hearing Coach, we will go to More and Hearing Coach. When you first download the app, you will be asked to set up Hearing Coach. We will click Next and start here. We are then going to set a daily goal. And we'll set 6 hours. And then we will confirm our goal. Hearing Coach will then open to a daily overview of wearing time and how close you are to that goal. When the user opens up Hearing Coach, they will see their daily wearing time and how close they are to their goal. In our example here, the hearing aids have been worn for 3 hours and 41 minutes. So we're at 62% of our goal. The user can also choose to see them as a weekly view, monthly view, or yearly view. We've had a few other minor changes to some of the existing features, including Find My Hearing Aids and troubleshooting. So check those out. And thank you for listening.